Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy gold in your Fidelity IRA. Investing in gold can be a great way to diversify your retirement portfolio and protect against inflation. Fidelity offers various ways to include precious metals in your retirement accounts. Let's walk through the steps together. First, you will need to have a self-directed IRA. This type of account allows you to invest in alternative assets like gold while still enjoying the tax advantages of an IRA. If you don't already have a self-directed IRA with Fidelity, you'll need to set one up. You can do this by visiting the Fidelity website or contacting their customer service for assistance. Once you have your self-directed IRA in place, the next step is to decide which type of gold you want to buy. So Fidelity typically offers options such as physical gold bullion or gold ETFs that track the price of gold. It is important to research these choices to determine which one aligns best with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Finally, when you are ready to make your purchase, log into your Fidelity account and navigate to the trading section. From there, you can place an order for the type of gold you have selected. Make sure to review all transaction details before confirming your order. Once your purchase is complete, you can monitor your investment and adjust your portfolio as needed in the future. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and good luck with your investment journey.